Hey guys, today, as you can see from the title, it's part one of pulling the engine on my STI. I haven't started yet, so this is going to be, start to finish. Hopefully that's the plan anyway. I did remove the washer box already, but that doesn't pertain to pulling the motor itself. I was just kind of bored messing around. So don't worry about that if you notice that's missing. But I guess I'll kind of go over everything and then throw you on a time lapse, and we'll get this thing ready to pull. Okay, so kind of starting out, kind of obvious. First thing I'm gonna do, pull the battery. I'll get the car jacked up, drain the oil, drain the coolant, and then I'll start just kind of plugging away, unhooking stuff. Take the intercooler off, take the air box off, and some of this stuff I will be selling. Like for example, this air box, I will be putting on Marketplace. I might put the intercooler on Marketplace, not sure yet. But I'm sure there'll be little odds and ends I'll be putting up for sale. But that'll probably be at a later date. I'm just kind of trying to get a start on it now before my built motor shows up. I have the short block, but I do not have the heads yet. So I want to get this pulled so I can pull things off of it that I'm going to need to swap over. And that's just kind of the plan going forward. But let's hop right into it. All right, well, I'll let the coolant drain. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect the battery, take the air box off, get the intercooler off. All right, that stuff's out of the way. Now I'm gonna remove the radiator, get this chase bays coolant overflow taken out. Probably take off the AOS. Probably won't unhook everything all the way, but just kind of get everything tucked up out of the way. All right, now that the radiator's out of the way, I got the recirculating blow-off valve out of the way. And now I'm gonna take off the catch can, or the AOS, I mean. So now I'm gonna take the alternator out, and hopefully I can get to the back bracket on the power steering pump and just fling it over to the side for now. I'll probably disconnect it eventually, but I'm not going to right now because I really don't want to pull the intake manifold just to get to that back bolt. Or I could probably get to it without pulling the manifold itself, but I'd have to get all these hoses and stuff out of the way, and I want to try to get away with not doing that. Now that the alternator and power steering pump's out of the way, I'm gonna flip the AC compressor out of the way. I will be deleting that, but I gotta wait until I get the gauges from my buddy to let all the Freon out. So for now, I'm just gonna get it undone, flip it out of the way. All right, now that that's disconnected, I'm gonna undo the engine harness from right here, 2 clips. I'll just take this bracket off, get these fuel lines disconnected. Then I'll move back here, get the heater hoses off. All right, guys, I think that's gonna wrap it up for part 1. I have everything disconnected and ready to go except for the turbo. I'm gonna pull the downpipe off. I've got the bolts soaking in PV blaster. I've got the top 3 broke loose, the bottom 2 I'm gonna fight, so I'll get those at a later time. I think I'm gonna have to pull the turbo off because the bracket that holds it right there has a crack in it, so I don't think it's gonna hold the turbo itself, so I'll probably just have to end up pulling all that anyways. Didn't really want to, but is what it is. But like I said, there we are. Really close to being ready to pull it. All the fluids drained, you know, radiator's out, everything's disconnected. But it went a lot smoother than I thought. It's been a while since I've pulled a motor on a Subaru anyways. And everything went well. But that'll do it for this one, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, you know, keep updated. I got a part 2 coming. All I've got to do, I just got to borrow a cherry picker from my buddy and get the turbo off, and it's ready to pull. So that'll be coming really soon. And then we'll get into the fun part of assembling my new long block, really. I got to wait for the heads to show up, but I do have the short block, and I have the majority of everything to throw it together. But we'll get into that in a later video. But take it easy. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.